Hi everyone, today I am making some freezer meals and I thought I would take you along with me. So am planning to spend the best part of the day cooking these meals, basically because we are really busy during the next couple of weeks and I need to be able to get some meals out and on the table quickly. So I'm going to share some of my recipes, show you what I'm doing and see how many meals I can make in one day. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my plan today. My plan is to make the meatballs, lasagna, butternut squash soup, spaghetti bolognese sauce, large pasta shells and a cottage pie, and I might get to do the brownies. They are for the fair that's coming up at the school, so it would be baking for the fair, so I might not get to those, we'll see. But basically I need onions for pretty much everything. So what I've done is got out my food processor and I'm going to do a big batch of onions and see if I've got enough to do all of these meals, all of the onions in here first. I've got my meat ready. I'm going to be using pork mince for the meatballs, but I'm going to be using beef mince for the other meals. My butternut squash soup is going to be vegetarian. So I've got that out ready. I'm probably going to get on with that while the other things, I'm getting the ingredients ready for the other things because that can just be bubbling away. The other thing I've got out is my big plastic pink bucket because I compost all of my peelings, all of my fruit and vegetable peelings will go in here and will then go in my compost bin. So the first job is to get all of the onions in the processor for the majority of these meals. everything that I've cooked today over here and then more over here. So I have actually cooked everything on my list. I haven't got around to doing the brownies. I didn't think I would. So this is the pasta shells, and what I'm going to do is cover that in foil, and that will just go in the freezer as it is. And when we're ready to eat it, I thaw it and I put it in the oven for about half an hour. This is the cottage pie, and this will take about half an hour again to heat up in the oven. We'll probably eat that tonight, so we may eat it all with some vegetables. Over here I've got the lasagna. That will be fine for 2 meals. What I do is I split that up into portions and put it in Ziploc bags and put it in the freezer. And the butternut squash soup, that will probably be fine for 1 meal with some homemade bread. Then I've got my spaghetti bolognese sauce, and that will be fine for 2 meals. I split that and put it into Ziploc bags and it goes in the freezer. And then my meatballs, and that will probably be fine for 2 meals. I'll drop that into bolognese sauce and heat them up and serve with pasta, or you can have them with wraps and make little lunchtime warm wraps with them. So thank you for joining me today with all of my bulk cooking. I'm really happy with what I've achieved today, and I hope I've given you some inspiration and motivation to do your own bulk cooking. Please leave a comment below, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!